Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select 2-point rectangle, line type, construction, make a rectangle here with 183 millimeters by 85 millimeters, press OK. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, click here in this point here, and this point. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between the midpoint and this line here is 180 millimeters, press OK. Now go to create, select arc, 3-point arc. Remove the line type construction here. Make an arc here. This arc must be tangent with this line here, okay? Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and this line is 30 millimeters. And the radius here is 150 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to create, select mirror. The object is this arc and the mirror line is this line here. Press OK. We have this, okay? Finish the sketch. Now go to create and select this plane here, the front plane. Let me hide the sketch line. Select the 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle here with 183 millimeters by 94 millimeters. Okay. It is a construction line type. Go to constraint, select the horizontal, vertical, click in this point here in the midpoint. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and the midpoint is 108 millimeters. Go to create and select arc, 3-point arc. Make an arc here, okay? Tangent with this line here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and this line here is 43 millimeters. And the radius here is 150 millimeters. Press OK. Finish the sketch. Now go to construct, select offset plane, select the right plane here. Offset here is 180 millimeters. Okay. Show the sketch 1 and sketch 2. Go to create a sketch, select this plane here. Go to create, select the project, include project, selection filter, specified, select this point here, and this point here, and press OK. Go to create and select ellipse. Click here in the midpoint, click in this point here and this point here. Okay, we have this. Select line. It is not a construction line. Make a line between these 2 points here. Okay. Finish the sketch. We have this. Okay. Go to surface. Select patch. Select this profile here. Okay. Only this part. Operation new body. Press OK. Now go to create. Select loft. Select this profile here. This profile here and this profile. And now select the rails, click here, select the rails here, okay? We'll have this, press OK. Now go to create a sketch, select the front plane, go to create, select the project, include project. The selection filter here is body. Select this body here and press OK. Now we can hide this body. Select the circle, make a circle here with 62 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, click here in this point and the midpoint here. Okay. And go to constraint, select coincident, select this circle here and this point. Now go to create, select arc, 3-point arc. Click here in this point and the circle, make an arc here. This arc must be tangent with the circle, okay? If it's not tangent, go to constraint, select tangent here and click in the arc and the circle. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 366. Press OK. Go to modify, select trim, cut this here, and finish the sketch. We have this profile. Show the body. Go to modify, select trim, select this profile here. Okay. Click here in this part here, and click here. We will delete this. Okay. Press OK. We have this. Let me hide the sketch 4. Now go to create a sketch, select the top plane. Let me hide this bar here. Select line, construction line. Make a construction line here. Okay. Go to create, select slot, center point slot. Click here in the center, 25 millimeters by 80 millimeters. It is not a construction line type, okay. 50 millimeters. Let's create another one. The radius here is 16 millimeters of diameter. And here is 40 millimeters of diameter. And here is 12 millimeters of diameter. And 10 millimeters of diameter. I have all the diameters. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between each other. The distance here is 15 millimeters. The distance here 15 millimeters. Okay. The distance here 45 millimeters. Here is 40 millimeters. Here is 40 millimeters. And here is 35 millimeters. And now go to constraint, select constant, select this line here and the midpoint. Okay, we have this. Let me finish the sketch. We have this. Show the body. Go to create, select Thicken. Select this face here and this face. The thickness here is 1 millimeters. You need to change the side here, -1 millimeters. Sorry. -1 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Now go to solid, extrude, select these profiles here. Move this here. The operation cut distance all. And press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to modify, select fillet. Now go to fillet. The radius type here is variable. Select this edge here, okay. Add one point here in the mid here, 90 degrees again, okay. Okay. The start will be 3 millimeters. The point 1, 10 millimeters. And the end is 3 millimeters. We have something like this, okay. Press OK. here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more tutorial, and bye bye.